Hi, welcome to SC Ninja. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a collection, that means in category in Shopify, and add products in that specific category. Okay, so let's start. I would like to here transfer from my products from my old store to new Shopify store. Okay, so here this is my name, Spotify category name. Okay, you can see there, here's Spotify. Okay, I just want to create a new collection, that means a category in Shopify. So I have to go to products and then click on the collection. Then here you can see that there is a create collection. I have to click on this button and just paste the Spotify, the name of the category, that means collection name in the Spotify, and then collection type I just would like to make it manual. Okay, so here you can also add image there. I don't like want to add image here, so I just save it. Okay, then here you can see that I have already added the products in the backend, that means in my Shopify. So if you would like to add this new product, you have to add product, right? This, and if you already added this product, then just put the name of your product name in the search box. Then you can see that your specific product will become here black silver. You can check that here is a black silver. Just I would like to click on the product. Here is the name of collection. Okay, so you have to find out the collection that you already created, name is Spotify. Okay, here this collection I just created this collection name. Here I click it and just save it. That's all. This is the way to create collection and add product to a particular collection, to a particular product. Okay, and if you would like to add product, just click the add product, name the product name, description. You can add image, price, inventory, available, that means amount of product, how many products do you have in your inventory. Okay, you can selection, and then just find the collection name here and put a tick mark on that and save it. That's all. So thank you very much for watching this video. I think this video will help you, and also I request you to subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.